Hello guys, welcome back to Spyrotech 365. Today's video is going to be creating cinematic trailer title animation in After Effects. Whether you're a returning subscriber or new to our channel, we're excited to have you here with us. So, get ready to level up your skills and let's get started. Now, create a new composition. Name it as what you like. Set width 1920 pixel and height 1080 pixel. Set frame rate to 30 and time duration to 10 second. Now, create text by Type tool or by pressing Ctrl+T. Write any text what you want. Make the text and the anchor point align to the center. Make the stroke off and change the fill color of the text. Set the font size to 200. Change the font of text what you like. Set this value to 0. Change the font size to 220. Apply decrease tracking preset from the Effects and Presets panel. Now, make the text align just like me. Change the value from 40 to 60. Change the second keyframe to 2 seconds. Now, go to the graph editor and change the graph similar to what I have done here. Here, I have used Keyframe Wingman plugin by Animation Composer 3. You can download it as free. Now, pre-compose the text layer and name it as Text Comp. Then create a new composition and named it as a Reflection Comp. Insert the reflection map image into the reflection comp. Apply motion tile effect on the reflection map and change the value similar to me. Insert a keyframe for tile center at the beginning and at 10 seconds change the value like me. Click checkbox of mirror edges. Now, insert the reflection comp into the main comp and set track matte to alpha matte. Insert the text comp again into the main comp, change the mode from normal to add. Apply fill effect and change the color to black. Now, apply bevel alpha and change value just like me. Duplicate this text comp by Ctrl+D. Change the light angle to 180 and edge thickness to 2. Apply CC glass effect on reflection comp. Select text comp for bump map option. Apply 35 to softness and -25 to height. Set light height to 75. Now, apply CC Blobalize effect on reflection comp. Select text comp for blob layer. Apply softness to 4 and cutaway value to 2. Set light height to 70. Select light type to point light. Change the light position like me. Go to the CC glass effect and select light type to point light 2. Change the light position like me. Change the value of this keyframe. Change the value of tile height and width. Apply a curve effect and change curves similar to what I have done here. Keep the tile height to 50. Keep the tile width to 70. Now, create an adjustment layer and apply Sharpen effect. Change the value to 20. Now, insert this image and fit it to the composition. Pre-compose this. Apply a curve effect and change curves like me. Now, create a new solid layer. Now, select the layer and click on the ellipse tool. It will create a mask. Enter mask feather value to 300 and mask expansion to 120. Then, again create a new solid layer. Press Ctrl plus Shift to resize the mask. Now, add a light. Add dust particles and change the mode to add. Then add a flare. Apply tint effect and change the color. Apply tritone effect on BG layer and change color for mid-tones. Apply level effect and change value like me. Now, add a camera and a null object. Link the camera to the null. Open the position of the null by pressing P on keyboard. Create keyframes and change values similar to me. There we go. Okay, now our animation is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.